There is a moment in the 40s when the skin begins to tell a quieter story, and with each passing year, that story becomes easier to read. As collagen slows, as the barrier thins, and as bigger changes unfold beneath the surface, many women feel as if the face they know is shifting faster than expected. Yet these changes are not a sign of decline. They are signals that the skin now needs a different kind of support. Let us walk through the biology of aging skin together, and by the end of this, you will understand exactly how to care for your skin in a way that fits the 40s and beyond. Before we continue, take a moment to subscribe so you stay close to every video that protects your long-term health and confidence. As the body moves through the 40s, the deeper layers of the skin respond to time in ways that feel subtle at first but become more noticeable each year. One of the most important shifts is the slowdown of collagen production. Collagen is the main structural protein that keeps the skin firm and resilient, and the loss of that support creates fine lines, reduced elasticity, and a sense of looseness that was not present in earlier decades. At the same time, elastin fibers lose strength, which affects the ability of your skin to return to shape after being stretched. This combination produces visible aging far earlier than many expect. Moreover, age reduces the natural turnover of skin cells, where once the surface layer renewed itself quickly, now the process becomes slower and less efficient. Old cells sit longer on the surface, giving the skin a dull and uneven look. Alongside this, the oil glands become less active, lowering the natural moisture levels that protect the skin from dryness and irritation in younger years. In addition, continual exposure to environmental stressors gradually accumulates oxidative damage, weakening the deeper structures of the skin. Over the decades, these resulted in pigmentation changes, texture differences, and sensitivity that were not present before. At the same time, the epidermal barrier becomes thinner and more fragile, making it more susceptible to dryness, inflammation, and irritation. All these changes can feel overwhelming, yet they come with good news. Once you understand this biology, you can choose steps that support the skin exactly where it needs help most. And when you follow those steps consistently, the skin begins to look smoother, more vibrant, and stronger than it has in years. To support skin that is over 40, the first action is to protect the barrier. The skin barrier is the outermost layer that keeps water inside and irritants outside. When it is strong, the skin feels calm, balanced, and hydrated. When it is weak, everything feels more reactive. Even gentle products can create burning or redness. The first part of barrier protection is cleansing in a way that does not strip the skin. Many women over 40 continue using cleansers that were appropriate in their 30s, but these often contain strong surfactants that remove the natural oils the skin needs. A gentle, hydrating cleanser is enough for most. After cleansing, hydration becomes the next priority. Humectants attract water into the skin, helping restore the plumpness that naturally decreases over time. When paired with a ceramide-rich moisturizer, the skin begins to rebuild its protective layer. Ceramides act as the glue that holds the barrier together, and their natural levels decline with age. This is why moisturizers formulated for mature skin often contain them. Next, antioxidant protection becomes essential. Oxidative stress accumulates slowly, and the skin of a 40-year-old woman has already experienced decades of sun exposure, pollution, and general environmental strain. Antioxidants counter these effects by neutralizing the unstable molecules that break down collagen. Vitamin C is one of the most effective topical antioxidants. It helps defend the skin while also brightening pigmentation and supporting the stability of collagen fibers. When used consistently in the morning, it prepares the skin for exposure and helps limit the damage from ultraviolet radiation. Other antioxidants, such as niacinamide and green tea extract, provide additional support by regulating inflammation and strengthening the barrier. Ultraviolet radiation remains the most significant driver of skin aging, even in the 40s. Ultraviolet rays reach deep into the dermis and accelerate the breakdown of collagen. Over decades, even normal daily sunlight causes more structural aging than most lifestyle factors combined. A broad-spectrum sunscreen used every morning becomes the strongest anti-aging step available. Yet sunscreen is not only about preventing future changes, it also protects the progress you make from all other treatments. When women use beneficial products without daily sun protection, they often feel as if nothing is improving. This is because ultraviolet exposure quietly undoes the gains. Applying sunscreen every morning and reapplying during long outdoor periods keeps the skin stable, supported, and able to respond to your other efforts. Another essential part of caring for mature skin is stimulating renewal through controlled activity. Retinoids support healthy turnover and collagen formation. They help soften fine lines, smooth roughness, and gradually even out skin tone. However, the skin over 40 may not tolerate strong retinoids immediately, especially if the barrier is already weakened. Starting slowly is the key. Applying a retinoid once or twice a week, paired with adequate moisturization, gives the skin time to adjust. As the barrier strengthens and the skin adapts, frequency can increase. This controlled approach avoids irritation while still allowing long-term benefits. Alongside retinoids, gentle chemical exfoliants support renewal. These work by loosening the bonds between dead cells so they shed more naturally. Yet overuse is common, and too much exfoliation removes protective layers that aging skin desperately needs. Balancing renewal and protection is essential. A mild chemical exfoliant once a week or once every other week is enough for many women. Physical exfoliants should be avoided because they create micro-tears in the skin and worsen dryness. Supporting collagen from inside and outside becomes another pillar of skin health. Protein intake plays a role in tissue repair and renewal. When protein intake is low, the body prioritizes essential functions first, leaving the skin with fewer building blocks. Including adequate protein at meals supports the material needed for collagen maintenance. Vitamin C is necessary for collagen formation, not only topically but also internally. Whole foods rich in this vitamin help maintain the structural fibers that keep the skin firm. Sleep also contributes to repair. During deeper sleep cycles, the body increases restorative processes. Meanwhile, chronic inflammation slows healing and accelerates collagen loss. Managing stress, balancing movement, and choosing nutrient-rich foods help limit the inflammation that fuels visible aging. Hydration remains one of the simplest and most powerful supports for mature skin. Water alone does not erase dryness, but consistent hydration allows the deeper layers to function more efficiently. When paired with topical humectants, the skin can hold more moisture. Essential fatty acids play a significant role. These lipids support the natural barrier structure. When dietary intake is too low, the skin loses moisture more easily. Including healthy fats in meals protects this internal support system. The sun remains the greatest challenge for aging skin, but it is also where women can see the fastest improvements once they begin consistent protection. Ultraviolet light penetrates windows, clouds, and most clothing. This is why daily sunscreen matters, not only on sunny days. As the skin ages, its ability to repair DNA damage declines. The same amount of sun exposure that a 30-year-old may tolerate without visible harm can affect the skin more significantly in the 40s and 50s. Protective clothing, wide-brimmed hats, and seeking shade during peak sun hours help reduce the burden on the skin. Hormonal changes also influence the skin more after 40, especially as estrogen begins to decrease. Estrogen helps maintain moisture, elasticity, and collagen. When levels decline, the skin becomes drier and more fragile. Some women experience rapid changes around menopause, including thinning skin, increased sensitivity, and faster wrinkle formation. Lifestyle choices can support hormonal balance. These include stable nutrition patterns, movement that regulates metabolism, and maintaining a consistent sleep schedule. While these steps do not replace the hormonal changes, they help the body adapt in healthier ways. Evening routines take on greater importance in this stage of life because night is when the skin repairs itself most actively. A gentle cleanse removes environmental stressors accumulated during the day. This prepares the skin to absorb nourishing ingredients more effectively. Retinoids or peptide products used at night allow the skin to benefit from the natural increase in repair activity during sleep. Layering moisture creates a protective seal, reducing overnight water loss. A slightly humid environment supports the barrier while minimizing skin dryness. Lifestyle habits remain central to how the skin ages. Chronic stress raises cortisol, a hormone that thins the skin and slows healing. Managing stress gently through breathing, movement, and supportive routines helps stabilize the skin over time. Likewise, a balanced diet rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and proteins provides the nutritional base for skin repair. Movement improves circulation, allowing nutrients to reach the skin more effectively. Smoking accelerates aging dramatically, reducing blood flow and breaking down collagen. Avoiding smoke exposure helps the skin remain clearer and stronger. Pollution contributes to oxidative stress. Cleansing each evening removes these particles, preventing long-term buildup that weakens the skin. Many common mistakes can quietly worsen skin aging after 40, and avoiding them can make a noticeable difference in a short period of time. Overexfoliating removes protective oils and leaves the skin more vulnerable. Using harsh products leads to inflammation that shows as redness and rough texture. Skipping sunscreen on cloudy days allows damage to accumulate without immediate signs. Switching products too quickly prevents the skin from adapting, creating constant irritation. By understanding why these mistakes matter, you can avoid the frustration that many women experience when their routine stops working. With the right understanding and the right habits, the skin in the 40s and beyond can regain strength, smoothness, and luminosity. These changes do not happen overnight, but they do happen consistently when guided by the needs of mature skin. Support your barrier, defend against oxidative stress, encourage renewal, protect from the sun, and nourish from within. If you follow these principles, the skin will show the results. Leave a comment to share your experiences and insights, and remember to subscribe so you stay connected to every new video.